Okay, so let's start. Hi and welcome traders to our free weekly market outlook. Today we will go and watch for setups for the upcoming week. So let's start. Here on TradingView I also posted some setups which you can actually trade. There is New Zealand USD, as you can see, is being posted previous week. Okay, and the wave has already started. If you catch it, you could be able to catch it from the bottom on lower time frame. If you didn't, wait for the correction and then you will catch that continuation. Okay, as you can see, here is the first bounce off from the bottom, so you can catch it if you were watching or tracking a lower time frame. Okay, so you should be in the trade, and now you just have to wait for a lower time frame correction. Okay, and here's the also Euro USD. There's also one more chart. This is the chart which we are tracking since very long. Okay, we also started to buy again. We were buyers from here and here. Okay, and the chart USD has been also posted there. I posted it on August actually. As you can see, we were anticipating the wave to the upside, but here we get a change as I show there. First we were waiting for the up, then down, and what price did? Went down, and we were watching that trend line to bounces off, and what price actually did? Went and tagged that trend line and then started to reverse. Okay, as you can see, there was that trend line which started to reverse. Okay, and I've been trading since September a buy and still didn't catch that move which will go. Okay, I was buyer from here. Okay, it means that I'm buyer from since September. Okay, as you can see there, then we get another sell, and now we are again a buyer. So let me move back on my charts. USDG THF Swiss franc. That one is also a really good setup, which actually took me out for at least 5 times on break even till now. And I'm still a seller from the top, okay? And every time when the chart will make new high, I will be a seller, okay? I will be all the time a seller, 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 seller. Okay, from all those tops, I will be a seller because that chart will just go and break to the downside, okay? That's just the matter of time. And there was also one more setup here in New Zealand, which I'm still waiting to make new high. As you can see, we are making, and we will make a new high, then we will fall. Okay, that one is also one good setup which you can track on lower time frame. And there is also GBPN, which you can be able to add more. Okay, there was a really nice wave, and if you were tracking it, you will be able to catch it from that low. If not, then just wait for deep correction and continue because this price will go tag that top. Okay, so this is all for those published setups. I will just move now on my charts and go through all those. Okay, so I will start with DXY. This is the USD index, and on Friday we know that we have NFP, and NFP actually didn't move a market. Okay, there was no move at all. And what I do expect that the dollar will make new higher. Okay, this is why I have my alarms over there because I will be a seller again on USD. Okay, that will mean if that DXY will start pushing to the upside, it means that your USD will push lower. Okay, USD yen will push higher. Okay, so you can trade it like that. If when you will see a strong break to the upside, you will be able to sell your USD, but you should not be a seller on without setup. Okay, so I want a new high there on DXY index. Okay, this will bring me a really nice USD to have sell from the top again. Okay, so let's move on the charts. I will go step by step to explain every chart. Okay, USDN. I was a buyer from Friday. Okay, Friday morning I bought it over there, here. Okay, here. That's where my buy is, and I'm still holding and will hold it until we will see the price will hit that top. Okay, so as you can see, there is my order, not order, my entry, sorry. My stop loss is still below that low, and we'll see how the price will behave over there. Okay, and I do expect that wave to the upside. Okay, otherwise I will manage it to close it on break even. Okay, here's also Euro USD. There was really nice setups, and if you didn't catch them, you just need to wait for better setup. But at that spot, I do not recommend you to take any buys. Why? Because as I explained, a DXY index can push higher, and that will push Euro USD to the downside. Okay, so this is why you should stay away from buy from current spot. Okay, you will be again buyer from those lows. Okay, there will be first low and there will be second low, which you should focus on if the price will go and fall. Okay, let's move on. New Zealand USD. There is also one more good chart, and I still think the price will also go make new low, and then we will see a completely reversal to the upside. Okay, you see, guys, this is everything a move just because of the DXY. Okay, because DXY will push higher, will give us new buy setups from new lows. Okay, okay, once again, if I will repeat, if DXY will push higher, we will have also a push to the downside on Euro USD, New Zealand USD, and Aussie USD. USD THF will go rise. Okay, so I will explain it one by one. It will be easier for you to understand. So what we will do in this week, we will wait to make a new low, then we will start watching again for buy. Okay, Aussie USD, there is a nice wave also, which should complete, go make new low, and then it will start rising. Okay, gold, I do recommend you to stay away from buying it. I will not buy it. Okay, this can carry risk for buy. Why? Because price can go just make new high and then it will drop. Why? Because there is a weekly time frame and there is a pattern which is completed for me, and we need at least a deep correction, okay, before price will continue to the upside. Okay, so this is why, although all those buys carry risk, it can go just make new high and then drop. Okay, so instead of focusing on that small move, you should be focusing on that one. Okay, this is the money. There is just small money which can carry risk. Okay, so focus on your sell setups, because we will see a nice wave to the downside. So let's move on. USD CAD. Okay, there will be also a nice sell setup. As I can see, I'm waiting that the price will go tag there, give me some price action on lower time frame, then I will be a seller, and I will be a seller all the way back to that bottom. Okay, but I will be careful around that previous bottom. Okay, this is a really nice setup which you should take, but without any confirmation. You should not just jump into the trade. Okay, when the price will come there, wait to see a price action on lower time frame, and then trigger your sell. Then you will be able to trade at least to that bottom. Okay, this will be your first target, but the price will go tag that bottom. Okay, let's move ahead. Use the chief. Okay, this is my favorite pair because I've been in that trade few times and took me out on break evens trades, and I'm again into the sell, but it seems to me it will again hit me with break even. Why? Because price will go, oh sorry, price will go, take that trend line, and then we will see a new higher high, and then price will reverse to the downside. Okay, as we can see on lower time frame, price is not aggressive to the downside, so we do expect a new higher high. Okay, and from that high I will be a seller again, and my trade will be that that one. Okay, I do anticipating that wave to the downside, so I'm not interested in any buy setups. Okay, if you feel comfortable take buy, you can take, but I do not recommend you. You can take that buy, but when we will break that top, take off your profit and start focusing on your sell. Okay, so as I said, I will not take that buy. Pound yen, I will still watch for my buy setups. The price will go and tag that top, then we will see a reversal. Okay, if I will take a look on daily, there's a really nice wave coming there, and you should be a buyer over there. Okay, so on lower time frame, you will just wait. There is nothing at the moment, no buy setup. Price is still pushing to downside. Okay, it can go make new lower low, and then we will see a completely reversal, which will go at least tag the top. Okay, but for now, you cannot jump into the trade. There is no setup. Your GBP. Okay, that one will also break to the downside. As you can see, there is a really nice pattern which will break to the downside. At least tag that trend line. Okay, so for the next week, just focus on your sell. Okay, I was a seller from there. Okay, there was first my sell, but as you can see, it took me out on break even. Okay, on Friday it took me out on break even, and I jumped into the trade again because I've seen that on lower time frame there was a price action, and that confirms me that the price will continue to downside. So I enter it again, and I'm on break even. Okay, and I will see again. Price can go tag that trend line, make new high, and then it will reverse to the downside. But price will reverse to the downside, and you should catch it. Okay, we will see at least that kind of move. Okay, this is a few hundred moves, few hundred pip move. Okay, and you can be trading in that wave. So watch your lower time frame. If there will be any sell setup, you can take it. Okay, wait for correction and then take your trade to the downside. For now, you don't have any sell setup. You missed one, and now you should stay away from it until you will see a correction on lower time frame. Okay, pound USD. What do we have here? Daily. Let me see. We will probably see a new lower low, and then the price will continue to the upside. But as I can see, I do not recommend you to take a buy at the moment. Okay, you can wait and see how the price will react around that trend line, and then you will be able to take your buy. Okay, otherwise stay away from it, because price, as I can see on higher time frame. Okay, let's move on daily. On daily, I see that the price will go tag that bottom. Okay, and there is no sell setup, so stay away for now. Stay neutral for upcoming week. Pound cat. Let me see. What do we have here? Let me delete that. So okay, that will just make a deep correction, and then the price will continue to the upside. Okay, let me once again check the higher time frame. No, the price will go break that bottom. Okay, so I will place my alarm over there because I will start watching the chart for buy when the price will hit that bottom. Okay, but as I can see that this week we will see a wave to the downside. Okay, there is maybe one more high, and then from new high we will start watching for sell. Okay, I just can draw like that. and move my trend line like that. So as you can see, we will see new higher high, and then, oh sorry, I got disconnected by my microphone. Okay, so keep your eyes on sell setup rather than buy. Okay, New Zealand cat. What do we have here? Daily. Okay, we finished the pattern. Okay, the pattern is over, and we will start watching for buy. Okay, as you can see that the price has already started to push higher. So for the upcoming week, you can just focusing on buy setups and then simply just take the trade to the upside. Okay, there is a really nice wave coming, as you can see on daily. Okay, we are waiting at least that wave. Okay, this is the wave which we should anticipate. Okay, so take all your buy setups. Price will probably go correct like that, stay for sideways for at least Tuesday or maybe till Wednesday, and then we will see a price which will start rising. Okay, cat chief, what do we have here? Okay, there was a nice setup from that high to the downside, but now you cannot take any sell setup, and it's quite risky because price can go just tag that bottom and then it will reverse to the upside, because this will give us a wave to the upside. Okay, this is the pattern which will explain a wave to the upside. Okay, but till now we don't have any reactions that the price will turn over. So what you can watch for that kind of move, and be careful when the price will tag the previous bottom. Okay, so let's move ahead. This is the my favorite one, the Euro New Zealand. This is the pair which I am trading from every new high and will still be the same. Okay, if the price will go make new high, as you can see, there is also my alarms placed over there and my setup is also there. So if I will see that the price will go tag that high and give me a price action, I will be a seller. Why? Because there is a really nice wave to the downside. Okay, as you can see, this is the setup which will grow my account for 8%, at least 8%. Okay, so this is why I'm focusing on it. Okay, but as I can see that the price is not ready yet to sell from this place. Okay, if you're not seller from the previous high, you should not jump into the trade from that place. Okay, it's a risky trade which can stop you out. Okay, it's rather stay away from until you will get that correction. Okay, and then you can take a sell. Okay, but I would like to see that the pair will make new higher high, and from that higher high I will be a seller all the way to the downside. Okay, so keep your eyes on. For the now, I see that there will be a reversal. Okay, let's move that my trend line like that, and as I can see, we will see something like that. Okay, so watch. Do not take your buy setups because it can just drop from any place. It can go make pullback, and when you will jump into the buy, the price will go just a bit higher, then it will drop to the downside. Okay, so you would rather focus on your sell setup. Okay, Euro cat, what do we have here? The price is correcting. As I can see, the price will go to that trend line. So let me see a lower time frame. Yes, but I do anticipate a deep deep correction actually. Okay, we will see at least break of that bottom, and then we will start watching for buy. Okay, and we will go at least tag that trend line, and from that trend line we will see if the price will reverse to the downside once again, or it will just continue to the upside. So keep your eyes on. Okay, when price will break it, watch, and then take a trade to the upside. Aussie cat, that one is my trade actually. I posted it on story if anyone see it. Okay, I took my buy, I placed my stop over there, and I'm in nice profit already, and my trade is also protected with break even, and we'll see. Okay, and what I do, I will just add more, and price will continue to the upside. Okay, so keep your eyes on lower time frame. If you will get a correction, something like that, you can simply just add and trade to the upside. Otherwise, if you will see a reversal, you will get some kind of correction like that. Okay, and then you can trade to the downside. CAD yen, what do we have here? Let me take a look. The price has started to push lower. Okay, but there is no correction for you to trade for downside. Let me check. Okay, there are no buy or no sell setups. You should wait. Okay, I will wait. Stay away from it until I will see a reaction and then a correction. Okay, this will confirm our buy. Okay, if we will get that kind of correction, that will confirm our buy, and you will be able to buy. Okay, but for now, stay away, because that kind of pattern can just simply break to the downside really aggressively. So I would rather wait for that kind of correction, and then the price will continue to the upside. Okay, there are many setups which you just have to wait, simply just wait. They are not ready yet, and they will not be ready yet till Wednesday, probably. Okay, on Wednesday we will get a nice setups. Okay, Yen, what do you have there? Okay, price will just reverse to the upside. I can just extend that my trend line. Okay, and what the price will did, we can just go make a new lower there, and then the price will continue to the upside. Okay, we'll go at least take that top. Okay, or at least take that trend line, and from there you have to watch it, because the price will reverse to the downside. But this is the really nice wave actually, so it will be worth of miss it. Okay, keep your eyes on lower time frame, and if you will get any buy setups, wait, get buy setup, and then you can trade to the upside. Okay, if I will add one more trend line over there. Okay, and when you will get the break of that trend line and will give you a correction, then you can trade to the upside, but there is nothing at the moment. Okay, as I can see, it will make new lower low. Okay, it will make new lower low, and from there you should watch it. Okay, let's move forward. New Zealand Chief, what do we have here? Okay, there is a buy. You can watch for buy setups on lower time frame, but be careful. Okay, if you will take that buy, be careful around previous top, because price can just make a bigger correction. It can move sideways for at least for a week, and then it will continue to the upside. Okay, as you can see, it can just move sideways in a sideways correction, and then it will continue to the upside. Okay, so be careful. Like I said, if you will take that buy, be careful around previous stop, move on break even, and watch how it will behave. Okay, Euro Aussie. Price, it has to break to the downside. Okay, this is the move which I was anticipating, and it happened, but now I will not take buy. Okay, there is a buy, as you can see. This is the buy, and I will not take it. Okay, why? Because the daily will break to the downside. Okay, that Euro Aussie is already has already finished the pattern, and it will drop. Okay, what it can do, it can just go slightly lower, tag that trend line, and then it will go make new higher high, and from there it can just reverse to the downside. So you should not be focusing on your buy setups. Okay, as you can see, there is a nice wave which is coming, but you should be careful, okay? Because the price will go make new higher high and then it can reverse. So be careful. Without any sell setup, you should not be a seller over there, okay? If you get some kind of correction like that, you can sell, okay? This is the risk taking setup, and just be careful, okay? If not, if the price will reverse, just manage to break to close on break even. Okay, also New Zealand, that one is also which I do expect to reverse. Okay, it will go tag that line and then will reverse. Okay, let's take a look on daily. Here are also my charts. Okay, I will just erase those trend lines because it can just make some mess over there. Okay, and make something like that. Okay, so what you want to see this week? A buy setup, and you can take it, watch previous top, because the price it can go and reverse the downside, but be careful around that top or that top. Okay, those are two spots which you should be careful about. Okay, when the price will be there, just simply take off your profit if you will take that buy. Okay, but as I can see that the buy setup is forming over there, it will form, will make something like that, then you can take that buy all the way to the top. Okay, so let's see how the price will behave. Okay, make something like that. Okay, as you can see, I will just also make something like that. Okay, it's better for you. Okay, it can go make a correction and then it will go tag the top and reverse the downside. So keep your eyes on. Pound Aussie, what do we have here? Daily. Okay, daily is over and it started to push lower. So let me see. Okay, from here I was wanted the price to make new high, but it didn't, and it still can go make new high. Okay, I will still be watching for that. Okay, what I will do, I will just watch from that bottom to reverse to the upside, make new high, and then I will watch for my sell setup. Okay, so this is why I still have that alarm placed over there, because it will remind me when the price will hit that high. Okay, so what I do recommend for you, you should not take that sell, or if you will take that sell, you can take that sell and immediately move on break even. Okay, and then you will see how the price will behave, because it can reverse to the upside from here. Okay, there are two spots from where can price reverse. So if you want, you can take that trade to the downside and move on break even to see how the price will behave, but be careful. Pound chief, what do we have there? Nothing. I do recommend you to stay away from it. There will be a deep correction, at least deep correction, okay, before the price will continue to the upside. Okay, so stay away from it. You should not take those sells, because the price can just go tag the bottom and then it will reverse to the upside. Okay, and this can be just a spike. Okay, so do not look for sell setups. Okay, rather focus on buy when it will be ready. Okay, I will place my timeline like that. So yes, you will watch from here to the upside. Okay, so let's move forward. Pound New Zealand daily. Okay, I see that. Okay, there is a new high. Let me erase those lines. I was anticipating that the price will go from that trend line and make new high, but it didn't. It went slightly lower, but that didn't change my view or my pattern. I still expect that the price will go make new high, and then we will see a complete reversal to the downside. So keep your eyes on lower time frame, and if you will see that the price will go make something like that, you can take a sell. Okay, put your stop loss above that high. Okay, and the price will continue to the downside. So that will be your homework, what you can do on in a upcoming week. Okay, just simply watch it. If you will have some kind some price behavior like that, you can take a sell. Okay, that will confirm your sell setup. So keep your eyes on Aussie yen daily. It will go make new lower low. Okay, we will see a tag of that bottom. Let me see. Okay, it can go just make a deep correction, then we will see a tag of that bottom, and then the price will reverse to the upside. So for the upcoming week, you can focus on your sell setups. Okay, but be careful. Okay, let's wait that the price will go tag the 10 line and then focus on that sell setup. Okay, there's a really nice wave coming, so your eyes are on. GVN, the pattern has completed. Like I said in a previous weekly market outlooks, I've been all the time repeating that. And what happened, it go break that bottom, and what it did, the prices just reversed the downside. So how we can trade in upcoming week, we will just watch for the good buy setup, how it will looks like. Okay, we will wait for something like that, and then we will trigger our buy setups. Okay, without that correction, we will not jump into the trade. It's quite risky to jump into the buy from spot like here. Okay, so wait wait for correction, and then take your buy setup. Okay, price will continue to the upside. Okay, so as you can see, how the price will behave, we will get something, at least something like that. Okay, so this is a really nice wave if you will catch it, as you can see where you are with the price right now and where it will go. Okay, so your risk to reward ratio is really nice. Okay, your stop loss will be something like that, and your entry will be there. Okay, so you should at least catch a 4% move. Okay, so keep your eyes on a lower time frame. Aussie Chief daily, I think. Okay, there is a buy setup, but if you didn't catch it from that bottom, you should not take it. Stay away. It's a bit risky. Yes, the price will go, can go, make a deep correction, and then it will continue to the upside. But I do recommend you to stay away from that chart in upcoming week. So there are many other setups which you can watch. Okay, New Zealand yen, what do we have here? I think also that the price will go tag that 10 line, and then we will see a reversal. Okay, so let's see. Yes, but be careful, there it can be just a new low, and then the price will reverse to the upside. So keep your eyes on. Okay, I will put my trend line over there, and when the price will hit that low, you can watch it. Okay, because price it will reverse to the upside. There are no buy setups at the moment. It's more sell setup than a buy. Okay, so at least this or this. Okay, there are two spots which you have to keep your eyes on. Okay, I will also place my alarm over there, so I will get a message when the price will hit that low. Okay, and I will also place one more alarm over there, so I don't need to watch it every day where it is. Okay, and silver, this is the also nice wave. Okay, which will continue to the downside, but it's not yet ready. It will make something like that, and then the price will continue to the downside. So there are no sell setups at the moment as I show you. Okay, there is a small wave which you cannot trade to the upside, and you should not be trader to the upside. Okay, you should not take it. Okay, I think that's all for now, and for the upcoming week, if do we have any questions, we can just answer it or just end there. Okay, so we don't have any questions. That's great. And if you guys are interested in our training course, you can simply just go on our website and go under the membership there. You will see two membership levels, which you can simply just choose. And when you will pay, we will you will be in our community where you will have daily setups, and it will be much easier to trade in with our community. Okay, so till next Sunday, have a nice and profitable trading week. Okay, take care. Bye bye.